Alright guys, today we're going to change out a headlight. What's up, George? We're going to change out a headlight on a Nissan. What year is this? Alright, George. What's the year on this dang thing? Oh, there we go. It's a 2013. Nissan nv3500. Oops, sorry about that. Bulb's pretty simple. It's H13 bulb. We got it down in here. You're going to pull this red tab, pull it back, and squeeze this tab down and pull this out. And there's two flaps. You're going to turn this counterclockwise. Comes right on out. You're going to get the new one out. You don't want to touch the bulb itself. You want to stay away from that area. We're going to get this back in. This is going to this little tab part here is going to kind of be, it's going to be an angle like this when it's in. So we're going to go straight up and down like this. Back in the hole. And you're going to see it. You're going to see it go in. So kind of do that. You see it go in and line up through this way here. It'll click right in and then turn clockwise until it clicks in place. Let's plug this back in until it's all the way down. Push the red tab back in. And that's it, guys. It's that easy. This helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put the bulb, the H13 bulb, in the description below. Just click the link. Peace.